Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down buttons. Just hold them, keep holding, and once it's off, just tap on power button to reboot it. And now wait till it's activated, and then you will be able to use your device as usually. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock it and then use your device. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.